Why did you get intoxicated? What was going on this night? I'm sorry?
5 years old.
And where was your 5-year-old when you were out drinking?
Courtroom Chronicles.
CR 7092, State of Texas versus Victoria Cepuentes. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault as a Class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment is up to $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Plea bargain agreement. State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of a Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 365 days in the Bexar County Jail. State recommends community supervision. They're taking consideration county court cause number 691055. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State? Yes. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 1 year. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Judge. States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Same. Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're asking that the court follow the recommendations set forth. And she's been incarcerated. She tried to get her COVID shot. She's on the list there at the jail, but she didn't receive one. Just want the court to know that.
Okay. So you're intoxicated and things just go south from there.
Yes, ma'am.
So why did you get intoxicated? What was going on this night?
I just went out for drinks with a couple of friends and I was being reckless and I was over drinking.
All right. Do you have any children?
I have one child,
Age? I'm sorry?
5 years old,
And where was your 5-year-old when you were out drinking?
with his father.
Do you have employment?
I'm currently unemployed.
When's the last time you had employment?
Right before I got arrested. In
Doing what?
October, the first week of October.
Doing what?
I was a security guard with Server Security.
Not anymore. And do you live by yourself?
I am currently homeless.
So where are you going to live if you're released?
I plan to go into a halfway home or a shelter that could give me resources and get me back on my feet.
And where is your child going to be staying?
For the meantime with his father, so he can, be enrolled in school and everything and have that stability.
Is there any drug issues with you?
No,
I'm sorry?
no, ma'am.
Have you ever tried drugs? And what would that be?
Marijuana,
And what else?
that is all.
All right, because now's the time to tell the truth because I'm trying to set your conditions so you can be successful. So if something happens and it's because you didn't tell me the truth, that's 100% on you. You understand? So is there anything else that I need to know about?
No,
All right, the court will sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 1 year. Taking consideration county court cause number 691055, 120 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes with Triple T. Once you complete parenting classes, the remaining of those hours will be waived. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anger management course. There's going to be 30 sober meetings in 30 days. And we'll do outpatient treatment with probation. And do you believe your son's father is a good father?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there any issues with him?
No, ma'am.
Any violence?
No, ma'am.
And he's married and has other children. So
Okay.
the child's in the stable place.
All right. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
What outpatient treatment is like? Supportive or intensive?
Supportive.
Can we get a tap with that?
Yes.
She mentioned nothing about field visits because
We'll do field visits one time per month. And just that's until she gets a stable residence.
okay. And then you said you mentioned UAs.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, regular UAs.
And regular virtual or in person, correct?
Yes.
That's all I know.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you. We can go off the record. You have a 5-year-old. You can't go out and be a crazy college kid, which I don't think college kids should be doing it either. But you cannot and should not be drinking to excess, because now your son has been without his mom because you've been in jail because of your actions. Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Lower your hand. Why are you not reporting?
Because I was in Dallas where I reside and I was homeless. And I did not have any transportation, and half the time I did not have.
Calling 2021 CR 4146, State of Texas versus Elizabeth Ann Gaskin. Do I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Michael from Miss Gaskin.
And are you Miss Gaskin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Gaskin, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision, and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Are you the same Elizabeth Ann Gaskin who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4146 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on March 1st, 2022 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
yes, Your Honor.
State?
Your Honor, it's going to be violated condition number 4, and this is on the motion to supplement. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Elizabeth Ann Gaskin, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer in person or through virtual means, i.e. Zoom, for the months of April, May, June, July, and August 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, state waives all other violations.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes,
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement is to deny the MTR and alter an amend to include weekly reporting until the defendant's probation conditions are completed, and biweekly UAs for 90 days.
All right. And defense?
Yeah, that is the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gaskin, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. Why are you not reporting?
Because I was in Dallas where I reside and I was homeless. And I did not have any transportation, and half the time I did not have the means to communicate with my probation officer.
All right, were you allowed to transfer to Dallas?
Yes,
So why do you call the probation office here?
again, I was dealing with a lot of things, mainly being homeless, and didn't have communication half the time. And I just,
Here's the thing. I can continue on probation if you want to be continued on probation, or either I will give you 180 days in the state jail facility. What would you prefer?
to continue my probation.
All right. Then the court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include the UA hotline And that'll be once a week until further notice. And weekly reporting until further notice. And we'll do field visits once per month. And probation, the field visits can take the place of one of the reportings if you all deem it necessary.
But my understanding is that there's a hold on her from corpus, so she may be in jail for a little bit
Okay.
before we can start that, just in making it known for the record,
All
in
right.
case there's any overlap.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Is there anything else you need from me to be successful?
No, thank
Do you have your probation contact information?
you. I do not.
All right. They're going to give that to you before you go back. So do not come before me again saying that you have no contact and you don't know how to get in contact with probation. You understand?
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.